Hey guys, I'm back with another tutorial video. In this following tutorial, I will be showing you how to find trending videos on YouTube. So I'll be showing you an easy way on how to find a trending video. All you have to do is make sure to watch the video till the end and follow the instruction correctly. Before getting started, make sure to update your YouTube application to the latest version. So first of all, open up your YouTube application. So once you open up your application, this kind of interface might appear on your device. So you can see right on top there are different options. In case you're not able to see these kind of options, then you must have to update your application for that. So after you update your application, this kind of interface might appear on your device. So then you'll have to tap on the icon which is in the upper left corner. As you tap on it, on the other side there are different options. So right on top there is an option called trending. Just tap on it. As you can see that these are all the videos that is currently trending right now. So you can see right on top there are different categories as well. So you can see there is music, gaming and film. All you have to do is just swipe towards the left hand side and then you'll be able to explore. And that is how you can find trending videos on YouTube. In case if you're not able to find it over here, then all you have to do is just tap on the search icon in the top right. And after that, you'll have to type in the name of a video or a particular thing where you actually want to look for it. And after that, you'll be able to find it. So that is how you can find trending videos on YouTube. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.